everyone, I am working with this little baby popple Pretty Bit. She's a little bit matted, so I will be showing you a few tricks to make her look like new again. I like to use a cat slicker brush. I just find that the head is a little smaller and able to get into more places. And another pet tool, which is a metal comb. The tines don't break when you're pulling through tangles. And I like to use a little tiny bit of conditioner and water in a spray bottle to wet hair that I'm using heat on. I will be using an adjustable heat 1-inch flat iron set on 1, the lowest setting you can get. It should be around 200 degrees, but again, make sure it's set on 1. So that should be what you need. We can get started. When you're working around the plastic eyes or any other plastic parts, you'll want to be really careful. The tines are really sharp, so watch your fingers too. This little girl's in pretty good shape. If you wanted to just fluff her out with the slicker brush, it would probably be enough. But what I found is that usually these guys have gone through a washer and dryer cycle, and if you forget to turn the temperature down to low, it will cause the hair to get a little clumpy and curly or frizzy at the ends. So using your water and conditioner mix and the flat iron set to low, I will wet the fabric and kind of comb it together so that you have something to grab onto. I just want to reiterate that if you are using heat on a plush or other synthetic hair, that it's super important to keep that hair wet. Typically what causes the frizz in the first place is a dry heat. So it gets too hot and it shrinks it and it shrivels it and it turns into that frizz. So be very, very aware that you're using enough water and not too high a heat, because you don't want to dry it out and cause more frizz. little one is almost finished. All that's left is for her to dry and then get brushed out one more time with that slicker brush so she's nice and fluffy. I really appreciate everyone watching today. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye.